Today's video is about my EVO-2 Pro and the battery life. The drone is 2 years old, had no problems with the drone except the batteries. When I purchased the drone, it came with 3 batteries in a Pro kit, and those first 3 batteries are already gone. I purchased 2 additional batteries. Here's one of them. It has about 30 charges on it, and it's also swollen, cracked, and failed last week. The other backup battery I bought has 49 charges on it. It's also cracked on the seam here and swollen, will not go in. The 3 batteries you see here, out of all 3, 1 is still going strong. It has 54 charges. It's about 1.5 years and everything's perfect. The other 2 only have 2 flights each. They're brand new. Autel says the batteries should last about 100 flights. And right now, the most I'm getting about 50 flights. So I'm down to only 3 batteries, and I'm flying this drone commercially. So these 2 are out of service. So I had to order some new batteries. Let's go ahead and get these babies open. I don't know what's up with batteries. I have a DJI product. They swell batteries also, but not as bad as the Evo. This is my last set of batteries for this drone. After this set goes bad, I'm putting the drone out of service. So I have brand new battery 1, brand new battery 2, brand new battery 3. Now, the batteries are about, I think, 213 plus tax here in California. So you're looking at about $700 in batteries to keep this EVO-2 flying for hopefully another 2 years. Here's a test to see if your EVO-2 batteries are failing. Shine a light through it. If you get light through the vents, usually your battery is in good shape. You can see the light shining through the vent. That's where the air circulates. So let me get one that's warped or swollen and give it a try. Okay, this is the same flashlight. You can see there's no light shining through. So this battery is toast. No light means it's swollen, no air circulation. It's going to overheat in flight. And you can see that the light is on. If they start swelling, you're going to have to dispose of them. Don't want to start a fire. So wish me luck. Please subscribe, and then we'll see you on the next video. And also last week I had a flight with the EVO-2 mapping mission, photogrammetry, and 3D modeling. So I'll post a little model at the end of the video. It was 660 pictures at 140 feet and put together in a 3D model. So hopefully you enjoy, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.